space station has the same ham radio on it.
Our space program got it. You have your ham radio in your car.
That's actually the one that's in my like
You know, the big ham radio.
When was the last time it was turned on? Just curious.
So I can get one of those ham radio license plates if I just take my exam, right?
Do they actually check that well, or can you just like watch it?
Sure,
No, good. I give you a license.
it is illegal to advertise to broadcast mechanics.
It's ramping up.
How can you
It's-
tell?
I hear the claps coming more frequently.
You sure you're not just trying to think? They have the backup engine. Smells like fireworks.
Oh yeah.
Clearly, you're not going to get super smart to wet yourself up.